Hello, today I'll try to show you how to create this effect. It's something like splash or something similar, which simulates water with using a new Cinema 4D particle system. So let me just close that. So the setup is fairly simple. Let's kill this everything. So the first thing which I did was to set up a helix and circle, and of course put it into the sweep in order to create a shape of this splash. After that, I used just one basic emitter, which then I turned into a circle and reduced the size of it. What else? The rate is like 1000 particles, and I changed the range to 8 frames. And because it's very fast, because the speed is like 250 centimeters and speed variance is like 10, to give some variation to the splash. And I had to change the radius of particles because the scene, I mean this can is quite small, so in order to fit everything, it has to be smaller. What else? Okay, so I position it like this. So yeah, so then you have to turn off the caps in order to particles go inside this sweep. Okay, so collider tag onto the sweep with everything almost turned off, and collider side needs to be set to both. And where's the other one? I think it's here, yeah. And in particle group or just anywhere in the scene needs to be a collider. Collide object, and of course the radius needs to be lowered as well to 0.01, and contact on both, of course, and everything else reduced to 0. Okay, and then I took the volume builder and of course volume measure, but I will show you why in a minute. Okay, what else? Basic light from top to light this scene, backdrop with some kind of color, but this is not important actually. What else? Let me check the settings of simulation. Yeah, these are a fairly high amount of substeps, and nothing else was changed here. Okay, so let's fire up the simulation. Let's hide the sweep, and for now I will take off the particle group from volume builder, because when, I don't know why, but when volume measure is turned off, then the particles are not generating as they should. So it looks like this. It's as I told you, it's very fast, and it's like around 10 frames, or let me check. It was like 8 frames, yeah, range. So let's leave it like this. Okay, let's put it back to the volume builder. Okay, and in the volume builder, voxel size is set up to 0.1, and particle group is radius is set up to 0.4, and this guy needs to be here. And I think this I created 2 separate emitters to, let me just regenerate it with okay, with volume builder turned on now. Okay, as you can see, when volume measure is off, then it's not generating properly. So once again, as you can see, it works quite fast, and it's amazing actually. So I put 2 emitters in order to create more variation into this splash. So yeah, we need to turn off the sweep, not to be rendered. What else? Nothing, just let's fire up the render again, and you'll see the magic. And one more thing I'll show you in a minute. Let it finish. Yeah. So it looks quite nice. Of course, we don't have full control over it, but it's something. If you don't have X particles, for example. And one thing, in order to get fine detail in it, I put a displacer in volume measure to just let me, as you can see, there's non-variation, and when I turn on the displacer, it's doing something, some variation. And the shading is, of course, noise, like fairly small noise, and low clip and high clip is reduced to 50%. Right, what else? Materials, just some basic material for backdrop, and water material is like, I don't know, it's supposed to be like this maybe. So let's re-render it like that, and yeah, this looks quite nice. Yep, and that's it. Thank you.